Hello, welcome to you all in our channel Banking Preparation. Today's topic is management, and under this topic we'll deal with the definition of management and what are the characteristics of management. Now let's start the video. Now let's define the management. We all know that management is one of the most essential parts of every organization. Management is one of the key reasons for modernization and industrialization. Therefore, the importance of management has been increased day by day. So, management is the process of getting things done through others with the help of some basic activities like planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. Similarly, management is the act of getting people together to accomplish desired goals and objectives by using available resources efficiently and effectively. According to Griffin, management is the set of activities directed at organizational resources with the aim of achieving organizational goals effectively and efficiently in the changing environment. Here, set of activities included planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These all are also known as the functions of management or process of management. Likewise, organizational resources are human resources, that might be a financial resources, that might be a physical resources, and informational resources. Therefore, we can say that the success and failure of any business organization is highly dependent on proper management. Here is the management definition highlights. Management is the planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the activities of human and other resources. Management is the making the most efficient and effective use of resources available in the organization. At the same time, management helps to coordinating the various activities that might be a human and non-human activities. Similarly, management main focus towards the achieving organizational objective, and management is always cope with the challenging environment. So these all are the highlights of management definition. In conclusion, management is concerned with the accomplishment of organizational objectives through the efforts of the other peoples. Thus, management may be defined as the process of planning, organizing, directing, and controlling to accomplish organizational goals through the proper coordination of human and other resources. Likewise, management is the process by which managers direct and control other people to concentrate and balance their efforts for efficiently accomplishing predetermined goals within the prevailing environment. Thus, management refers to the process of setting certain predetermined objectives and achieving them through optimum utilization of resources. Hence, these all are the definition and major highlights of management definition. I hope you understand all these the points and definition. Now, let's see what are the features of management. Thank you for watching us. If you like to boost your knowledge, please watch our channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.